Ever wondered what makes a great data analyst? Well, it's like putting together a puzzle with pieces of technical prowess and soft skills. Imagine a chess player. Yeah, knowing the rules of the game, that's your technical skills. But having the strategy, the patience, the foresight, those are your soft skills. Both are crucial in creating a master data analyst who can not only crunch numbers but also understand the story they tell. Stay tuned as we dissect the attributes of a successful data analyst. At the heart of data analysis lie technical skills, the foundation on which data analysts build their careers. Imagine you're an architect. To design a building, you need a solid foundation. For data analysts, technical skills serve as that foundation. They're the bedrock that supports the towering skyscraper of analytical expertise. First up, statistical analysis. This is the bread and butter of data analysis. It's about taking raw data and transforming it into meaningful information. Think of it as the process of sieving through a mountain of sand to find the precious gold nuggets hidden within. Next, data cleaning. If statistical analysis is the process of finding gold, then data cleaning is about removing all the dirt and pebbles that come with it. It's a crucial step that ensures the quality and accuracy of the data, eliminating errors and inconsistencies that could skew your findings. Then comes data visualization. Ever heard the saying, "A picture is worth 1,000 words"? Well, in data analysis, a well-crafted graph or chart can speak volumes. Data visualization is about presenting data in a visual format, making complex information easier to understand and interpret. It's like turning a dense, impenetrable novel into a vibrant, engaging comic book. Last but not least, programming. This is the magic wand that makes everything possible. Knowledge of programming languages like Python or R allows data analysts to automate tasks, manipulate data, and carry out complex analyses. It's the engine that powers the entire data analysis machine. Each of these skills is like a piece of a puzzle. On their own, they might not seem like much, but put them together, and you get a complete picture of a competent data analyst. Though these technical skills are crucial, they are not the be-all and end-all. Let's delve deeper. Beyond the technical realm, soft skills serve as hidden catalysts, propelling data analysts to new heights. Now you might be wondering, what exactly are these soft skills we're talking about? Well, let's dive right in. First up, we have critical thinking. This isn't just about solving Sudoku puzzles faster than your friends. It's about analyzing situations, dissecting problems, and formulating solutions based on facts and data. In the world of data analytics, critical thinking is your secret weapon to making sense of complex data sets. Next, we have communication. Ever tried explaining the rules of chess to a 5-year-old? That's a bit like what a data analyst does. They translate complex data into understandable insights for everyone else in the room. So, if you're great at explaining your favorite video game strategy to your friends, you're already honing a crucial skill for data analysis. Now let's talk about curiosity. This is the driving force behind every great discovery. In data analytics, curiosity is about asking the right questions, exploring uncharted territories of data, and seeking answers that no one else has found. It's like being a detective, but with numbers. Business acumen is another key soft skill. This is understanding the bigger picture, the market trends, the business goals. It's about using data to make strategic decisions that drive business success. Think of it as being the captain of a ship, navigating through a sea of data to reach your destination. Lastly, we have problem solving. This is the ability to find solutions to issues that may arise. In data analytics, this is about troubleshooting issues with data, finding patterns, and deriving meaningful insights. It's like being a maze runner, finding your way through complex data pathways. All these soft skills, when combined with your technical abilities, create a powerful synergy that enhances your overall performance as a data analyst. It's like having a supercharged engine in a sleek and stylish sports car. The technical skills are the engine that powers you, but the soft skills are the sleek design and handling that make the ride smooth and efficient. While technical skills provide the tools to do the job, soft skills ensure these tools are utilized effectively. To excel in data analytics, it's not just about the numbers, it's also about the skills beyond the numbers. Balancing soft and technical skills, like a chef perfectly seasoning a dish, is what truly sets great data analysts apart. It's a delicate dance, a blend of art and science, that truly makes a data analyst stand out. Think of it this way. Technical skills are the bricks that build the house of data analysis. They're the hard, tangible skills that allow us to collect, process, and analyze data, to draw meaningful insights from a sea of numbers. These are skills like coding, statistical analysis, and data visualization. But soft skills? They're the mortar that holds the bricks together. They're the less tangible but equally important abilities that allow us to communicate our findings, to make sense of complex data, and to solve problems creatively. These are skills like critical thinking, communication, and curiosity. The balance between these two sets of skills can vary. A data analyst working in a highly technical field might need a heavier dose of technical skills, while one working in a more people-oriented industry might lean more on their soft skills. But in either case, both sets of skills are crucial. The key is to constantly hone both your technical and soft skills, to stay curious and keep learning. Because the world of data analysis is always changing, and the best data analysts are those who can adapt and grow with it.